Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am excited because today I am bringing you a review and swatches of Beauty Big Bang's newest cat eye or magnetic gel polish collection. Here they are. So I have all 10 of them right here, and yes, you can see that they are already out of the box, but I went ahead and left this in here like this so you can see how this is how they come nicely packaged in this pretty cute little box right here with the heart cut out. But yes, I'm going to show you close-ups of each one of these colors. They are just labeled number 1 through 001 through 010. I'll have some swatches for you on an art wheel, or I should say, yeah, it's a tip wheel like this. And I also have a fabulous design for you guys. I cannot wait to show you. That's why you're not seeing my other hand. Okay, so I am going to leave you with the swatches and design, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so here's the final result of this gorgeous design. I am so in love with it, guys. So I hope, what do you think of that idea? Kind of sandwiching a stamp there with a magnetic polish. And as you saw, so this is the very nice, very strong, and very effective magnet from Beauty Big Bang as well. So you have the bar and then the rounded one, which is nice for these, the effect that I did in these two, and then the straight line. And you saw how I went and just kind of doing the testing on these. I did some with the straight line and then some with the rounded magnet. And this color, guys, OMG, this is the bomb. Look at that. So this is my very first cat eye or magnetic gel polish that has those holographic glitters like that. I just knew that had to be the first one for me to use on a design. And then that purple was so pretty there, so it's like it's more metallic, and it's just, I don't know, it just seems so very galaxy like kind of. This one's a little bit more subtle. Some of them are a little bit more subtle, like the ones here, number 1 and 2, a little bit more subtle. But beautiful, beautiful polishes. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below, so you guys can go check them out, and you may use my code NAQ57 to save 10% across Beauty Big Bang's website. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous magnetic polishes to play with and review. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.